today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And you might ask yourself, Chris, why did you choose this title? Let me tell you exactly why. You might ask yourself, Chris, is this specific pattern here, let me quickly go over it, this pattern here, this Wyckoff accumulation schematic still valid? And we are going to price levels of above 50,000. We are going to price levels of 60,000. Or was I actually wrong? And this is not going to happen. I will tell you exactly what I am seeing in the charts right now, and I will tell you exactly where I made this mistake. I am here actually also with DaVinci J15, and if you are sticking around until the end of the video, I will ask this amazing individual who bought Bitcoin at $1 what his prediction is on Bitcoin right now. Also, smash up the like button if you want a fully dedicated collaboration with DaVinci J15, the legend himself. Smash it up to 10,000 likes, and now let's go straight into the content and let's talk about what I'm seeing in the charts. Let's talk about where I here potentially made a mistake on Bitcoin. So first of all, you remember this Wyckoff accumulation schematic where we are having phase A, B, C, D, and E. And I can tell you, phase A, B, C perfectly concluded exactly as I was predicting it already since phase A. However, I made a mistake, and this mistake was because I have a bullish bias every now and then, surprise, surprise, obviously, but what can we learn from that, and what does it mean for the predictability of the future Bitcoin price movements? Well, if we are going into this chart, my mistake was, and I redrew the lines here, redrawing the lines is perfectly fine on Wyckoff patterns because, well, you can never predict exactly how long these phases are going to be. But what I was doing is I drew phase D much closer here because I thought, well, this was already the accumulation within our resistance line, so we should pump up much earlier. But this was just because maybe somehow subconsciously I wanted the price to pump earlier. However, phase D is of course supposed to be much longer than phase C. So it should be also within our pattern here much longer, and this accumulation is actually still ongoing. As you can see, we are still within these resistance lines. So what we should expect is somehow within the next week here on the 4-hourly candles, this pump towards the upside. So first of all, what is the invalidation point? If Bitcoin closes a 4-hourly below the 46,800, this is when I would say, hey guys, potentially with some volume support, we are invalidating this pattern. As long as we are holding on the 4-hourly, preferably even on the daily, the level of 46,700, I would not flip all too bearish for Bitcoin. However, if this happens, I will go out and I will actually scale down on my trade. It's getting very, very hot here. Let me quickly go back. I will scale out of my trade and I will say, hey, the Wyckoff pattern is not playing out. As long as this is not happening, we cannot say that it's not playing out. We have to stay here a little bit more cautious with these bearish shakeouts here. So also, let me just show you, in case we are not closing below this specific level, we are still looking out for this pump towards the upside to the 78.6, 50,600 US dollars. Be careful right now. I would not open a trade. I would wait for the price to choose direction, and I would wait also, especially if you are trading this specific pattern, for phase E, for this break towards the upside. And now just a quick answer here to DaVinci J15, guys. Smash up the like button for this big legend. DaVinci, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin here in the immediate short term?
Well, I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. I really think Bitcoin is, as long as it stays above the $46,300 level, we could see it pump higher to higher levels, like maybe above the 50K.
Yeah, 46,300, very close to the 46,800 I was mentioning earlier. Let me know what you think about that. Make noise for the algorithm. Make noise in the comment section down below as you're always doing that. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And you can expect the very well expected, very soon, the collaboration with DaVinci J15. Just press the like, go down below, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.